Numbers from 21 to 100. This is one apple. These are 10 apples or 10 ones. This is one mango. These are 10 mangoes or 10 ones. We say that 10 ones is equal to 110. Reading and writing numbers from 21 to 100. Numbers from 21 to 30. Numbers from 31 to 40. Numbers 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Forward and backward counting. In forward counting, we count the numbers from smaller to larger. Example 142, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47 and so on. In backward counting, we count the numbers from right to left. Example 250, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44 and so on. Before, after and in between. Before. Number that comes immediately before the given number. Example, what comes before 46? Solution. We can see that 45 comes before 46. After. Number that comes immediately after the given number. Example, what comes after 22? Solution. We can see that 23 comes after 22. Hence, 23. In between. Number that comes in between the two numbers. Example, what comes in between 78 and 80? Solution. We can see that 79 comes in between 78 and 80. Hence, 79. Place value and face value. Place value. In a number, each digit has a fixed position that is known as its place. The value of each digit in a number is termed as its place value. Numbers from 0 to 9 are single-digit numbers. They are written at one's place. Numbers from 10 to 99 are two-digit numbers. They have two places, that is, tens place and ones place. In two-digit numbers, the number on the right is at the ones place and the number on the left is at the tens place. 110 t is equal to 10 ones, or. Let us understand it with the help of the given examples. Example 1. Write the place value of digits in 84. Solution. 4 is at the ones place. So, the place value of 4 is 4. 8 is at the tens place. So, the place value of 8 is 80. Example 2. What is the place value of 7 in 71? Solution. 7 is at the tens place. So, its place value is 70. Example 3. What is the place value of 3 in 63? Solution. 3 is at the ones place. Face value. The face value of a digit is the actual value of the digit in a number. Example, write the face value of 7 and 6 in the number 76. Solution, in the number 76. The face value of 7 is 7. And the face value of 6 is 6. Expanded form. When the number is written in its expanded form, it means the number is represented into tens and ones. Example 1. Write the number 27 in its expanded form. 20 plus 7 or to 10 and 7 ones. Example 2. Write 65 in its expanded form. 60 plus 5 or 6 tens and 5 ones. Representing numbers on the abacus. Abacus is a simple tool for counting. A two-rod abacus can be used to represent a two-digit number. The rod on the left shows tens and the rod on the right shows ones. Example, represent 74 on the abacus. Solution, step 1, the digit at the ones place is 4. So, we will place 4 beads on the right side. Step 2, the digit at the tens place is 7. So, we will place 7 beads on the left side.